Okay, hello everyone. My name is Paola Elizabeth Astudillo Barbecho, and for this video, I'm going to talk about of a interesting topic. It's about common sentence problems. So, first, it's important to know that at the moment that when we write a text, a paragraph, or essays, etc., it's possible that we make some mistakes. So, it's important to know some problems in order to avoid them and improve our writing. So here we have the most important or the most common sentence problems. We have sentence fragment, choppy sentences, run-on sentences, and comma splices. Okay. First, sentence fragment. When we talk about sentence fragment, we are talking about incomplete sentences. It means that in a sentence, there's not maybe a verb or a subject or another important letter. For example, my favorite history teacher, it's a sentence who which it's nonsense because this sentence doesn't have a verb. In another cases also, um, it's a common mistake that a person use a conjunction when it's not necessary, and it leads to make also two incomplete sentences. Then we have choppy sentences, and when we have choppy sentences, we are or we have series of very short sentences separated by periods. For example, in these sentences, she took dance classes. She had no natural grace or sense of rhythm. She eventually gave up the idea of becoming a dancer. We can see that there's three sentences joined by periods, and this is a choppy sentence. How can we avoid choppy sentences? In this case, we have to check if all of the sentences are complete, and the next we have options to join them. For example, uses conjunctions. Then we have run-on sentences, and when we talk about run-on sentences, we are talking about two independent clauses run together with a proper punctuation or appropriate conjunctions. And for avoid this problem, it's important to decide what is the main purpose of the sentence. For example, in this case, we have Mary come home from work early. We worked hard on our project. So we can realize that in this sentence, it's missing an important period. How can we correct wrong on sentences? So we can divide these sentences in two clauses. Maybe we can introduce a period or maybe a semicolon. In another cases, we can use a conjunction. And the last one problem is comma places. And the comma places occur when two independent clauses are incorrectly joined with a comma, like in this sentence, the concept plans will never be carried out. There is too much opposition. We can see that there is a comma when it's not necessary. So how can we correct wrong our sentences? So it's um, it's similar of the ways to correct wrong on sentences. We have to insert a period or maybe a semicolon, and also inserting by a correct conjunction. So that's all. Thank you.